What up? Okay, so gotta cover this up, but it says my stepdad's last name, and it's that. And here, I think there's some food in here. I know I'm starving. I'm just kidding. There's some food in the house though, but I'm outside, and guess what? I'm lazy. Are you awkward? I've been waiting for you. Okay. There's no food. Okay. Okay. There's no food. Request denied. Now my fingers smell like water. Does water even have a smell? The world may never know. Okay, and I'm outside, as you can tell by the beautiful world. And it's freezing, and I'm gonna go check the mail. It's Sunday. What am I doing? I'm probably about to go in and cook some eggs or something because I'm hungry. And I'm freezing. I'm hungry and I'm freezing. It's like the best thing that you can do on a Sunday. Which my Sundays are supposed to be your relaxing days, but mine are just like my hectic days because I clean. And then I try to get a video up. I'm gonna try to get a video up every Monday and Sunday. Look how pretty it is. It actually looks like it's gonna storm. So instead of this being like a really pointless video, I need y'all to request videos because no one has ever requested a video. So there's a first time for everything. And please subscribe. I'll do a sub for sub. You subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. You know, unless you make bad videos, like, you know, nasty videos. No. I will block you, sister. I will block you. You're probably not even my sister if you do. I went there and I came back. So please request, and yeah, I'm about to go in because I'm freezing. And sorry, this is a pointless video.